In his latest vlog, President Bongbong Marcos assured the public that the government is actively working to help Filipinos amid the ongoing oil crisis. Here's that report.
The government continues to take action to support Filipinos amid the ongoing oil crisis. This was emphasized by President Bongbong Marcos in his latest vlog.
Gusto kong ulitin sa inyo, hindi kayo maiiwanan, hindi kayo pababayaan ng pamahalaan.
He outlined several government initiatives, including fare discounts on trains.
Sa LRT2 at MRT3 naman ay may 50% na diskwento simula March 23. Yung blue beep cards na may 50% discount. Habang ang white beep card ay patuloy ang 50% discount para sa mga PWD, senior at estudyante.
As well as the distribution of cash assistance and fuel subsidies for drivers, farmers, and fishermen.
Fuel subsidies din ang nag-aabang para sa mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Ongoing na talaga yung mga programang yan. Pero nagpatagdag pa tayo ng 50 million sa mga regional field offices.
The government is also in talks with other countries to secure a stable oil supply.
Tungkol naman sa supply ng langis, nakikipag-usap na po tayo sa mga bansa na ating mga trade partner gaya ng India. Ngunit sinasama na natin lahat ng mga iba at linalapitan ang China, Japan, Thailand, Brunei, South Korea patungkol sa mga posibleng supply arrangement.
Marcos added that authorities are coordinating with manufacturers to help keep the prices of basic goods stable. The president urged Filipinos to help by conserving resources, supporting one another, and sharing accurate information during the crisis.
Ngayon ang panahon para magtulungan. Ngayon ang panahon para maipakita natin sa buong mundo ang katangian ng bayanihan na nasa puso ng bawat Pilipino.